How much pure alcohol should be added to 400 ml of a 15% solution to make the strength of the solution 32%? It's a question from the topic mixtures, and therefore there are two methods that we can use to answer this question. Now, method 1 will actually use formation of a simple equation. So we will form a simple equation and quickly solve this question. That's one method. And we will also solve by another method, and let's call it method 2. Method 2 will be the alligation method. So alligation method is considered to be quite superior because it's very fast as well. Now let's quickly understand how to answer this question in both the ways. So method number 1, which is forming the simple equation. The simple equation method basically just talks about making an equation on any one constituent of the solutions. For example, here the question says how much pure alcohol should be added to this much alcohol solution, which means the question has been repetitively talking about the alcohol. So what we can say is how much pure alcohol. So let's assume that the pure alcohol quantity is X. So we can make the equation that alcohol of X plus alcohol of this 400 ml solution should be equal to the alcohol in the final solution, which is X plus 400 ml. This is the basic fundamental of forming an equation. Now, the solution that we are adding, which is X, it is pure alcohol. That means it's a 100% alcohol solution. So 100% of X is the alcohol content, plus in 400 ml solution of alcohol, we have 15% alcohol. That means 15% of 400 will be the quantity of alcohol in this solution. And this should be equal to 32% of the final mixture, and the final mixture will have quantity X plus 400. Now we have an equation. We can simply solve this to get an answer. Let's do that. So 100x plus 6000 is equal to 32x plus 32 times 400. I'm not multiplying them because finally in the equation I may have something common to simplify this. So 100 minus 32 gives us 68x is equal to 32 multiplied by 400 minus 66,000, which is 15 multiplied by 400. And if I take 400 common, 32 minus 15 gives me 17 multiplied by 400. That means X becomes 17 times 400 divided by 68, and that gives us 100. So the answer to the question becomes option B. But now let's quickly learn it using the second method, that's superior method alligation. What alligation method tells us is that the first solution, which is 100% alcohol solution, we are taking the quantity of it is X ml. Now the other solution, which we are taking a 15% solution, has the quantity of 400 ml. And by mixing them, we have to make a solution that is equal to 32% alcohol. So to find the ratio, what we can do is we can simply take the diagonal differences. That means the difference of these two numbers, which is 32 minus 15, is 17. And the difference of the other two numbers should be written on the other side, which means 100 minus 32 is 68. And how do we read it? Just quickly understand it. The way we read it is that the ratio of the quantities, which means X over 400, will be same as the ratio obtained here. That means what we can say is X over 400 is equal to 17 over 68, and simplifying this gives us X is equal to 100 ml, and we again have the answer is option B. I hope you enjoyed the two explanations. Thank you so much.